The cap assembly consists of the plastic spool cap, a metal string eyelet, and the auto feed control lever. The cap snaps onto the upper spool housing to hold the spool in place. Over time, the plastic tabs can weaken and break. The cap can be worn away from rubbing it against the ground. The auto feed lever can fail, causing string to feed uncontrollably. Replacing the cap assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spool cap and the spool from the trimmer head. To remove the cap, I press the tabs on either side and pull it away from the housing. Now I'll pull the spool away from the cap. Now I can install the new cap. I'll align the trimmer line with the eyelet and snap the spool into place. And I'll finish by snapping the cap back into place. And that's how easy it is to install a new cap assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.